front of me is a Motorola Moto G200, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you'll want to open up the standalone contacts application, which for me is located right over here. Once you open it up, navigate to the three bars right here and choose Settings. And right here at the bottom you'll find Import option. When you click on it, it gives you a couple options right here, but obviously we're interested with the SIM card option. Click on OK, and this will present you with all the contacts that are on your SIM card. Now by default they will all be selected, so if you don't want all of them, simply deselect the ones that you don't want, and from there you can choose Import. It will give you the amount of contacts imported, and when you go back you should be able to see them now in your contacts list. And that is how you import your contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.